Well, hello people out there. I would like to introduce you to my new channel, One Cook Greek, which main subject is how to cook Greek, obviously. I'm very happy seeing people coming from abroad, enjoying the Greek hospitality, and of course I feel very proud when they give the highest credits for our country's cuisine. But most of you people, I believe, and prove me wrong if I'm mistaken, have only tasted, let's say, the 5% of these traditional plates. That's how I came up with the idea to enrich your knowledge for all these tastes and flavors you probably missed on your last trip to Greece. And who knows, maybe motivate some of you guys to cook these delicious meals for yourself or your dates. My kitchen is not sterilized, it's gonna be swift and messy, just like passion. In our case, passion for cooking. Subscribe to the channel, leave your likes, comments and questions, and I'll try to answer as fast as I can. So what do you say, let's cook Greek?
Well, Yuveci for today. Yuveci is a good old Greek traditional food. It's made of calf meat and needs two phases to complete the process. For the phase 1, we're gonna cook the meat in this kettle. And that ensures us that the meat is gonna be soft and melting in our mouth. For the second phase, we'll put the meat into the oven. So let's take a look to our ingredients over here. Starting up with the spices, I'm gonna need some salt. Here's the king. And some pepper as the queen follows. A stick of cinnamon. A chicken cube. We usually use the opposite cube to enrich the flavor, so chicken for calf. 1.5 laurel leaves. And 6 pieces of pimento. Yeah, like that. 2 spoons of the soup with tomato pasta. Two tomatoes. You can add as well 150 ml of canned chopped tomatoes. 4 pieces of garlic. And 2 medium onions. Or a big one. The Orzo Pasta, of course, prefer the medium size, and a small bottle cap of vinegar. Remember fellas, Greek cooking needs olive oil. Alright, we have this great piece of meat over here from the neck of the calf. Have in mind that every recipe needs specific materials to be perfect. That happens with the meat too. So we choose the right meat spot. For this specific recipe you can use neck or chak. And if you want to buy a leg part, you should buy shank or round. So now we'll start cutting the meat. It's better to do it in big shares. Yuveci needs something with medium fat, and so it tastes better. That's all, let's start cooking now.
Jack, I'm crying.
I think we are ready. The oil needs to get heated well. After that, the ingredients gonna get deep fried. Throw the chopped onions and the garlic into the kettle and let them get blonde as Marilyn's hair. Add the cinnamon stick and the pimento. Big time, boys and girls. Lay down the meat in the kettle. Yeah, master, cook like that. Fry well both sides of the meat so to keep its liquids inside. Throw in salt according to your taste. 1 to 1.5 spoons of soup for me. Pepper. Tomatoes attack. The small dose of vinegar. Water enough to almost cover the meat. A strong tomato pasta. And 1.5 leaves of laurel.
Last but not least is the cube. Swish! So we cap the kettle and let's go recharge the batteries. I'm gonna release this handle after 35 to 40 minutes.
Okay people, I think we're ready. This is a kinda Flintstone way to open the pot. But it's working. Okay, no more pressure. Let's open. Oh brother, this is good. It's really good. I have 2 clay pots over here. I'm gonna put the stew into them and then add the orzo pasta. I'm gonna use all the liquid in here because it smells delicious. So now I want the pasta to go under the liquid. And I will add some water. Not much. One more thing. We need to cover them. That's how we cover them, so they stay juicy. The oven is preheated to 170 degrees for about 10 minutes. Well, people, I hear the calling. Must be the time. Well, this is it. Greek Uvetsi as it's still speaking.